Hi YouTubers, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today I want to speak to you about the beautiful citrine crystal. Yes, I want to speak to you about this beautiful yellowish crystal and what it can do for you. If you want to know more about crystals and you're trying to start your own business or go back to school or do some changes in your life, this is the crystal you may want to have in your possession. So watch this quick video all the way to the end. And don't forget, if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is the Law of Attraction, metaphysical life coaching channel that brings you information in an easy to understand manner. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. Now, if you want to know more about this crystal, keep watching. So now let's get going. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about this citrine crystal? Okay, this gemstone. This crystal is the crystal that you would absolutely want to have in your possession if you're starting a business, if you're doing something, starting a new endeavor. This yellowish gold crystal resonates with the solar plexus, and it is the stone that will help you with abundance, with confidence, with joy. Whatever it is that you associate the sun with, this crystal has all those properties in it. So let's just say you wanted to open up your own business. This is a crystal that I would buy citrine crystal jewelry and have it and wear it every day. Another thing that you may want to do is that this is the crystal that you may want to have in your home or at your business location. So let's just say the front door of your business, okay? And even if it's an office, it would be the front door of your office. And you want to place this crystal in the far left corner of your front door. Again, your front door of the building, or it could be the front door of your office. But when you walk into that area that belongs to you, you want to have this crystal in the far left corner. So let's just say you walked in your door, and then way in the back is your bedroom, and your bedroom is over to the left. That's where you want to put this crystal, in that corner. If you have upstairs and downstairs, you can actually put this crystal on either floor. If you have a business, you want to put this in the far left corner of your business. Now, you can also put this in the cash register. You can put this in your wallet. You can, like I said, you can wear it as jewelry. This is the crystal. If you want the sun to shine on whatever it is that you're doing, this crystal vibrates with the sun, also with the solar plexus. Now, what else can this crystal do? Now, first, before I even go any further, I want to show you different type of crystals that I have. Citrine crystal. This right here is a citrine crystal tree that I have. I also have the crystal that I'm showing you right now. And I have plenty of other ones. I have smaller ones that I might have, and I have others that I sell on my store. Now, you can also, because the citrine crystal is associated with the solar plexus, the third chakra, it also is associated with your intuition. Now, for all of those out there that's trying to improve their intuition, get more in tune with their intuition, this is the crystal you may want to have on you. Now, there's other crystals that are associated with the solar plexus, like yellow calcite. So there are, and you can even use tiger's eye, because a yellow's tiger eye, because it does have the yellow in it. But when it comes down to actually bringing in abundance, bringing in joy, bringing in confidence, bringing in the ability to work with other people and be happy, this is the crystal you will want to have on you. If you're dealing with going to school and you're not having confidence in yourself and you're feeling a little depressed, this is the crystal to have. Everything, again, associated with the sun is represented in this crystal. If you're having third chakra problems in your life and you're realizing you're feeling a little down, you're feeling a little depressed, you're feeling like you don't have the confidence to do the things that you want to do, or you're feeling like basically things are just not going to work out with your endeavors that you're going for, this is the crystal to have on you. I have citrine crystals in my home, in my wealth corner of my home. Again, the far left corner of my home. I also have it in my room with my business, Everywhere I have a citrine crystal. Now everybody, this crystal is very powerful. It's one that is a must. I tell people there's certain crystals that I will always have, and this is one. If you're looking to be successful in any way or any manner, this is the crystal to have. So I'm asking you, get out there and get a citrine crystal and see how it works for you. So this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and we just spoke about the citrine crystal and the properties for what it can do for you. If you like this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. This is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel that brings you information so that you can easily understand. You can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com, where you can receive one-on-one coaching from me. Again, thank you everyone out there that has subscribed or took time to sign up for my coaching sessions or the Torah readings. You can also visit me at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com, where you can buy crystals, candles, sage, anything that you want, oil, anything for your metaphysical needs. Again, this is Yvette. We spoke about the citrine. Have fun and namaste.